Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Well, theoretically, you can invite your brother to visit. You can't invite your brother to come to the U.S. to apply for asylum. That's not how it's done. Additionally, there's a problem here. Your brother's from France. I'm assuming that means he's a French citizen. If it means he's a citizen from another country and then got residency in France, he's not going to qualify for asylum, period. A bar to asylum is if you have obtained residency in a third country. So I do not know if that's the case here, but if he does come from a third country, born in a third country, and a citizen of another country and got residency somehow in France, asylum is not a possibility. And asylum is not initiated by you inviting him to come to the U.S. to apply for asylum. That's not how it's done. Theoretically, if you're a U.S. citizen, you can petition your brother, but that's going to take another 15 years, give or take. Okay? So that's the first thing. The second thing, let's say he was born in France. The question then is, what is it that you think that he's being persecuted for in France? How is France persecuting him? Do you know that if you apply for asylum and it is a fraudulent or meritless asylum case, and it is ruled to be so, that your brother could then be barred for life from applying for anything else? Applying for asylum is not just something where you roll the dice and you hope it goes through, or you do it to stall for 10 years while you find some other way. That's not how it works. It needs to be a bona fide asylum application that has merit to it, okay, that has real reasons why you think your brother is being persecuted and why he should qualify under one of the 5 enumerated grounds for asylum. And if that's the case, it does not begin being initiated by you inviting him. Now, if he is a French citizen, then he simply qualifies to come here for 90 days without a visa, which leads me to believe he is not a French citizen, or you wouldn't have to invite him. So, which leads me to believe he is somehow in France legally, even though he was born somewhere else. So I'm pretty sure that he's going to be barred in some other manner. So there's lots of different issues here and lots of different ways your brother might be able to come to the U.S. other than what you are trying to do, because the way you're doing it will not work. I'd have to know what his education is, what his work experience is, if he has money, for example, to invest in a new business, if he comes from a treaty country. There's all kinds of different ways. But once I would question all that, I'd be in a much better position to know how to help him. Okay.